Hi, I'm Che Estepa and I'm a riding coach at Motocamp Riding School. I'm also a pilot. I have Motocamp Riding School. Nag-start siya actually during the pandemic. Pandemic baby siya, and I put up this school kasi na-retrench ako sa Lipad because of the pandemic. So I had to find means to put food on the table. And nagulat ako kasi noong pandemic, biglang nag-boom yung motorcycle industry ng hindi ko rin inaakala. And since I was into track riding din, some of my friends told me na why not make something out of it. So we had dalawa kaming coaches, pilot din siya, na nagtuturo sa Motocamp when it started. So lahat ng tinuturo namin, ang pinaka-priority namin doon is safety. Binase din namin siya sa syllabus ng flying. So if may mga pilots kami nagiging students, mako-compare nila. Meron kaming ground schooling, then meron kaming briefing, actual riding, then the briefing. So ganun yung process namin sa school. Motocamp Riding School is in Clark International Speedway. So, meron kaming paddock doon. We just acquired it this year. It's a small paddock lang, but doon naka-store yung training bikes namin. We have 3 courses in our school. We have the Motorcycles 101. Yun yung mga for zero knowledge, as in wala pang alam sa motor. We start them sa parking lot ng racetrack. Gumagamit kaming cones, so basic siya, more of what the motorcycle is and how to handle the motorcycle. Then we have Moto Circuit 101. It's more of the art of cornering. So basics siya on how to do track riding. So if you want to race, pwede tong maging starter course for you to know the ins and outs inside the racetrack. Then we have moto coaching also. So dito naman tina-target namin kung saan ang mga points for improvement when you already know how to do track riding or you want to go into race nga. It's more detailed, or it's refining the rider in their track riding skills. Before the pandemic, ikwento ko na lang siguro yung kung paano ako nag-start sa riding. So, tinago ko siya, yung pagmamotor ko. Tinago ko siya kasi sabi ng parents ko, pati yung buong family ko, ang pagmamotor delikado. So, ayaw nila ako magmotor, pero andun kasi yung gusto ko siya. Gusto ko yung feel, and then pag pupunta ako sa mga expos na enjoy ko, tas puro back ride lang yung ginagawa ko. So, na-enjoy ko na yung pagba-back ride. Tapos, one day, yung kasama kong coach, his name is Alex Torres, inangkas niya ako pa uwi sa bahay. So, from bahay ng girlfriend niya, na wife na niya, from that point to my home in QC, inangkas niya ako. Tapos sabi ng wife niya sa akin, kapit kang mabuti kasi grabe yan magmotor. So, pag uwi namin, pagtanggal ko ng helmet, gulat siya kasi talagang binilisan niya. And then, grabe yung lean angle ng ginawa niya. Pagkatanggal ng helmet, sabi ko, shucks, mag-aaral na talaga ako. Tapos nagulat siya sa akin, ha? Ang purpose ko para takutin ka. Pero mas nagustuhan mo. So, nag-search ako ng school, ng riding school sa Manila. And then, I saw Honda Safety Driving Center. And then, that's where I started riding. Wala pa akong motor noon. Gusto ko lang matuto. Wala pa akong alam na ang laki pala ng mundo ng motor. May track riding, may off-road, may ano ba, parang masyado pala siyang wide. Ang gusto ko lang noon, pagmotor. So, during that time, hindi ako nakontento eh. So, naghanap ako ng ibang means for training. I tried Coach Mel Aquino. I also tried si Motor Clyde. Kahit nagko-coach na ako, kahit nung meron na yung Motocamp, continuous pa rin yung training ko. I trained under Dashi Watanabe, kay Marvin Maulabnan. Pero yung pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga sa lahat is track riding. Why? Kasi the discipline of track riding is just like flying. Ang daming similarities between track riding and flying. And siguro kasi me being a pilot, na-enjoy ko yung flying, and then yun, na-relate ko siya sa track riding. I'd like to invite everyone who wants to learn how to ride or to increase their skills to come visit us at Motocamp Riding School. So, ang mission ni Motocamp, since I'm a lady rider also, is to empower women. Alam ko yung feeling na natatakot, mabigat yung motor, lahat ng insecurities ng babae tungkol sa motor. But if gusto mo talaga, may way, may technique siya. And then, ang napansin ko din kasi, ang daming babaeng students na pumupunta sa amin. Ang dami din nagtatanong, hindi ba girl riding school yan? Hindi siya limited sa babae. Nagkataon lang ata na comfortable yung mga babae, na babae rin yung nagtuturo sa kanila. So, other events also, before I became a pilot, I was into events. So, meron kaming ginawa during the pandemic also, to kickstart lang yung Flower Fest before, we have the Bikes in Bloom. So, ang concept niya, medyo parang DGR, nakabihis lahat, and then yung motor, bibihisan ng flowers. During the pandemic kasi, nawala yung highlight ni Flower Fest na float parade and street dancing parade. And ito yung naging alternative ng parades na yon. So, motor ang naging bida noong time na yon. But, since ayaw natin ng crowds, ang ginawa natin is to pinpoint places na pwede yung mga motor. So, if interested kayo mag-join, naging yearly na rin siya. So, it's during February ang Bikes in Bloom. And we also have track days. We're actually coming up with the first Women's Track Day on March in celebration of the Women's Month then. So this is to empower women and lady riders too. Again, I'm Che Estepa, riding coach of Motocamp Riding School for All About Wheels Manila.